Basahin ko yung statement ni PRRD. I strongly condemn the use of excessive and unnecessary force in serving this warrant of arrest for Pastor Apollo Sigibuloy of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ by police officers who are not even from Davao City. These incidents occurred within a place of worship and on school premises, which is absolutely unacceptable. Will this overkill be the trademark of these administrations when dealing with individuals who are merely accused of committing a crime and even not proven guilty beyond reasonable doubt? Will they exhibit the same lack of self-restraint they have shown towards critics of these administrations when dealing with their supporters? How can these administrations guarantee the preservation of the constitutional rights of our fellow Filipinos when even the most fundamental of these rights are being trampled upon and blatantly violated? Statement ni PRD 10 of June 2024. Binasa ko lang po.